Hi everyone, my name is Tas and today I want to show you my latest project. Now I want to show you an interesting craft. Oh my... Hi again. My plans have changed and now I'll make a wooden doorstop. Let's go. Let me show you how it works. Excellent! I think this stuff is very simple, but very cool and useful. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribe, I'll be insanely happy. Bye!